Welcome in this Russia how to fix the M02 Shopee error in Shopee, so I'll show you a few steps and I'll shoot and actually guide you through the process of fixing this. So step number 1 is clearing your Shopee app cache. Now if you want to do it on Android, you want to go to your settings, scroll down and select apps notifications, then find Shopee in the list of apps, tap on storage and cache and then tap clear cache. So that is one way how you could try to fix this issue. The second one is then check the validity of the voucher. Now I've actually missed this. This is how you do it on iOS. It is actually pretty very similar, but yes, step 2, check the validity of the voucher. Obviously that is a bit self-expensive, I think. Then we have used a recommended shipping service. So Shopee has many different shipping services and there is and Shop usually has a recommended shipping service as well, such as Shopee Express, and this year may help resolve the issue if the M02 error is caused by product incompatibility with the selected shipping service. Then check different types of products. This is probably not something that most people want to do. You can update the Shopee app if your shopping app isn't updated, and you can contact the support, and I'll show you how I can do that in just a second on the different website I've actually found this. Perform checkout through Chrome incognito mode. This is actually a really nice, because sometimes when I try to buy something online, this actually helped me. So you want to open up your Chrome browser, and then I tap the 3-dot icon in the top right corner of the app and tap the new incognito tab menu, and then just go to Shopee login and try to check out through the incognito mode. If all of that doesn't help, you can also go to this website right here. Now keep in mind I'll link all the websites down in the description here. When you scroll down, you can click on have a chat with us, and then you can actually, you can see this is a short article that shows you how to chat with a live agent, and that live agent will be able to guide you through the process of fixing this issue. If these tips didn't help that I just showed you, and that's how to fix the M02 error in Shopee. If the suitable is helpful, make sure to like the video, and thank you for watching.